As of now, Ripple's native cryptocurrency XRP is soaring as optimism grew that the court case brought by U.S. financial regulators would be resolved favorably. Is Ripple then a good investment? Will Ripple be successful in their lawsuit? Will the price of Ripple rise? And most important, how will the XRP buyback make XRP holders wealthy? Quickly, make sure to stay until the end. In December 2020, the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple Labs alleging that the Ripple cryptocurrency was being traded as an unauthorized security. After its lawsuit with the US SEC was resolved, Ripple Labs, the company behind the cryptocurrency, bought back some of its shares in preparation for a potential public stock exchange listing. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced on January 26 that the company had bought back shares issued to investors in its $200 million Series C funding round in December 2019. Tetragon Financial Group, based in Currency, led the round with SBI Holdings of Japan and Route 66 Ventures of the United States also participating. Ripple Labs intends to go public after the SEC investigation is completed. According to Garlinghouse at the CoinDesk Consensus 2021 event, due to COVID and personal matters, the expert discovery deadline has been extended to February 28. Ripple Labs noted in its fourth quarter market report. On January 13, the court ordered the SEC to surrender several documents to Ripple, including emails and drafts of former SEC Corporation Finance Director Hinman's June 2018 speech in which he asserted Ethereum is not a security, as well as notes taken by SEC attorneys during meetings with third parties in the digital asset space. According to the press release, Ripple Labs' RippleNet blockchain technology for global payments continues to grow its partnerships and customer base. Despite headwinds from the SEC, 2021 was RippleNet's most successful and profitable year to date, as global momentum skyrocketed with customer demand. The company said in its fourth quarter update, "Guys, this week, I came upon a very interesting website, see the link in the description below. It's called a stable pool, and everyone who registers on their website until October 31st will receive up to $50. In crypto, it's a new platform, but during the first week, they received more than $80 million of investments. They also have a partnership with a Japanese exchange called TaoTaoX.com. When you go to their website, you can immediately claim the free $50. After that, you go to top up on the left side of the screen. Then at the right, you select a currency and enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, you're free to go in our money. Note, I'm not a financial advisor, and investing is always at your own risk." With a payment volume run rate of over $10 billion, the number of transactions on RippleNet has more than doubled. This is a testament to the product, given that Ripple lost its largest customer, MoneyGram, shortly after the SEC filed its lawsuit against the company. RippleNet continues to see increased global demand for its on-demand liquidity product, which now has over 20 payout markets, including the Middle East. The Asia-Pacific region continues to be one of the network's most active users, with its OTL volume more than doubling last year. In the fourth quarter, Ripple's XRP sales totaled $717.07 million, up from $491.74 million in the third quarter. Even though total XRP volume fell to $168.41 billion from $189.53 billion in the previous quarter. The increase was significant as ODO continues to gain global momentum. Ripple has been a buyer of XRP in the secondary market and anticipates to continue to do so in the future at market prices, the company said. Since the SEC investigation began in December 2020, several U.S. cryptocurrency exchanges have suspended trading of XRP, limiting the coin's upside potential. According to XRP analysis, the coin follows the direction of the broader cryptocurrency markets. When the crypto markets rallied in mid-April 2021, the XRP price soared to $1.96, its highest level since it reached a record high of $3.84 during the previous market rally in January 2018. The price then dropped during the main market sell-off, reaching a low of $0.579 on July 20th. Ripple XRP rose in price with the markets over the summer, reaching $1.41 on September 6, before falling to 83 cents later that month. During the November market rally, the price briefly rose above $1, reaching $1.28. After spiking to $1.02 on December 23, XRP was unable to hold on to the $1 level, closing 2021 at 83 cents. In January, it lost more than 27% of its value, closing at $0.632. XRP is also in the thick of the altcoin season. XRP is well equipped to usher in a new era in the crypto space, which is exactly what we need. Trading on the Moscow Stock Exchange has been halted, ushering in a new era of financial systems based on XRP and RippleNet. The SEC has also filed an opposition to Brad Garlinghouse's motion to compel Matthew Esterbrook to turn over his notes. The Estabrook notes referred to a 2018 meeting between Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and ex-Second Commissioner Elad Roisman. The plaintiff has admitted the notes for in-camera review to Judge Nett Byrne but opposes their production to the defendants because the notes are no different from SEC notes this court has already held are secured by the DPP. The notes should be protected by DPP according to the SEC, because Mr. Estabrook took them because he thought they might be relevant to future commission decisions. The same thing happened at a previous Hester Pierce meeting, and the court ruled that it was privileged because Garlinghouse's need for the notes is significantly reduced. Given his presence at the meeting, piercing the SEC as privilege is unwarranted, the SEC argued. Ripple requested the Estabrook notes earlier this month, claiming that the DPP did not protect them, and its motion to compel Ripple stated that notes taken by SEC staff in the context of fact-gathering with third parties, not the SEC itself, do not fall within the scope of the DPP, even if the data gained may later be relied on for future policymaking. There was no evidence that in the Estabrook notes, certain facts were recorded, while others were purposely admitted as an exercise of judgment or deliberation, or that such a decision was made to aid with agency decision-making. As there is in other notes, this court ordered the SEC to produce the SEC stated position that the Estabrook notes were taken for the purpose of ultimately advising the Commission on policy is identical to the SEC as justification for withholding notes from other meetings, which the court has already rejected. The fact that the SEC makes policy based on information it gathers does not make all of the information the SEC gathers privileged. Defendant Garlinghouse asked the court to order the SEC to produce the Estabrook notes or alternatively to provide the document to the court for in-camera inspection. Attorneys Jeremy Hogan and John Deaton commented on the SEC's and Ripple's battle as the judge prepares to rule on the Estabrook notes. I don't believe the judge has ordered the production of these notes. In the first part, the SEC does a good job of laying out its case, and I think the second and third arguments are especially compelling. Remember, if the SEC wins this motion, it'll be a minor victory. In this case, Mr. Hogan said Jeremy as usual is spot on. Brad Garlinghouse was present at the meeting and is familiar with what was said and discussed. Judge Nett Byrne had already ruled that Ripple could not have the notes from other meetings attended by Garlinghouse, or SBI. The company's largest shareholder didn't said. Furthermore, according to popular crypto tracker, Well Alert, Ripple and several anonymous users have moved a total of 390 million XRP in the last 2 days. Meanwhile, the Ripple-affiliated XRP has increased by 10%. Over the last 24 hours, the aforementioned crypto tracking service has spotted several massive XRP transactions. Ripple, the fintech behemoth, was responsible for 2 of them. According to a detailed analysis of data from the XRP-focused BitHom analytics service, the Crypto Goliath transferred 50 million XRP to one of its wallets, RLA10AVN. This wallet is frequently used to send XRP to digital exchanges, crypto custody service providers and Ripple customers outside of Ripple. Later, 20 million XRP were sent from that wallet to the Philippine Coins.ph crypto trading platform as an on-demand liquidity corridor. This exchange operates. Similar corridors exist in Mexico, BitSo Europe, Bitstamp Australia, BTC markets and other countries. The US-based Bittrex exchange also transferred 20 million XRP to the Korean platform Upbit, according to Well Alert on February 25. While Other discovered a massive amount of XRP being transferred between 2 anonymous wallets, they moved 305.8 million XRP, which was worth $214.9 million at the time, as the price of XRP has risen. This sum is now worth $233,231,991. Some predict that XRP will reach its all-time high of $3 in 5 years, while others predict that it will go 10 times once the lawsuit is resolved. We all know the truth though. The SEC has run out of options and has gone defensive and now has nothing to drag XRP down. Folks, XRP is on the verge of winning, and once this lawsuit is over we will see XRP soar to such heights that it will make history and be held as the next Bitcoin. Like and subscribe.